So when you're ready to pull the pinion gear, you first remove the pinion nut using our special socket, and then make sure you unscrew the threaded piece out of this tool body, so you can just see like the ball bearing sticking out, so you have the room to slide it on. Slide it on, make sure it's all the way behind the pinion gear, and then just tighten the threaded piece. You just want to hold the tool body with a 15/16 wrench like this, or a crescent wrench will also work, and then hold that steady as you turn this clockwise. So once I'm ready, I just hold the body. And some of them can be really stuck on there. There you go. Pops off the most stubborn pinion gears very easily.